Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to restrict someone on Facebook Messenger. Let's get started on the video without any further delay. First of all, open the Facebook Messenger app. Click on the search button and search the name of the person you want to restrict. Tap to open the conversation. Next, click on the information icon on the top right side of the screen. Scroll down until you see Restrict option below Privacy and Support. Click on the Restrict option, and if you are sure, click on the Restrict option once again. And that is how you can restrict someone on Facebook Messenger. Thank you for watching till the end. Hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button and comment down if you have any question. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.